Hello everyone, in this video we have Xerox WorkCentre 3345. In this video we will learn how to factory reset and clear all memory counters in this machine. If you got any error and you want to reset it to factory settings, how to do if there is a light. Okay, you have to press these two buttons, this key button and number button together. Okay, it will show screen like this. Enter diagnostic passcode. We will enter 1934 and press start. Okay, you can see it's appeared, and you will go copier diagnostic and move down, and then we'll click memory clear. And then, do you really want to start memory clear? Press OK. First of all, see what else here. Okay, we will clear all memory clear, and getting counter country information, please wait. Yes, it's restarting the machine automatically. It will factory reset all settings. If you have any counter full of user or any other part of the machine, it will reset all counters. It's automatic restarting. So with that method you can reset this machine 3345, and it's now ready to use. It's asking us to re-enter the all settings. I will press English. Still loading, so you have to wait. Configure all settings with layout and display languages according to your need, and hopefully machine will start working again.